Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English Leap podcast. This is your go-to English podcast, the one that helps you really practice English listening. And we do it through daily life conversations. Simple, real, and fun. Learning English doesn't have to be boring, right? So sit back, relax, and let's make it feel natural together. I'm Kate.
And I'm Ben. Oh, wow, Kate. That was a very lively opening. You sound like you just drank 3 cups of coffee.
Maybe I did. Or maybe I'm just excited because today's topic is one of my favorites.
Oh, yeah? What are we talking about?
We're talking about our day. Morning, afternoon, and evening. All in real, natural English.
Oh, nice. So basically, we're letting everyone peek into our real lives today.
Yep, the real, unfiltered version. No fancy edits, just what our days actually look like.
That's dangerous, Kate. Are you sure you want to tell them everything?
Maybe not everything. I'll skip the part where I fall asleep with my phone on my face.
Same here. My mornings start strong. Then by 3 p.m., I'm like, where's my motivation?
I feel you. But hey, that's why this episode will be fun. It's real life, not a textbook.
Exactly. So while we share our routines, you'll also learn how to talk about your own day in English, with natural words, expressions, and even some small talk ideas.
That's right. So if someone asks, "Hey, how was your day?" you'll finally have more to say than just, "Good."
Yeah, we'll help you sound like a native, even when you're just talking about breakfast or work.
Speaking of breakfast, should we start there?
Let's do it. Mornings first. And I promise, I'll be honest about mine.
Okay, so my mornings are pretty simple, but also kind of chaotic. I usually wake up around 6:30, and let's be honest, I hit snooze at least twice.
Twice? That's impressive. I hit snooze like 5 times.
Oh no, that's dangerous. But yeah, once I finally get up, I make my bed because it's like my tiny victory of the day.
Tiny victory. I like that. It sets the tone, right? Like if you start neat, you feel productive.
Exactly. It's like that idiom, start the day on the right foot. It means to begin your day in a positive way.
Right. Start the day on the right foot. I should probably try that. Because my mornings, they're, not that graceful.
Okay, spill it. What's the first thing you do?
Well, honestly, the first thing I do is grab my phone. I check messages, then scroll for like 10 minutes, which is terrible, I know.
You're not alone. I do that too sometimes. But then I head straight to the kitchen for coffee. And I need my coffee. Like, no coffee, no human.
That's a universal rule. I usually make green tea, trying to be healthy, you know? But sometimes I just give in and go for strong coffee.
Give in. Oh, that's a good phrase. It means you stop resisting something. Like you tried to be good, but temptation won.
Exactly. I give in to caffeine every time. After that, I try to do something productive. Maybe a quick workout or stretching.
Oh, really? You actually stretch in the morning?
Yeah, I do. But it's nothing fancy. Just a few shoulder rolls, toe touches, and deep breaths. It helps me wake up. I put on calm music, stretch for 10 minutes, and tell myself, okay, you got this.
That sounds peaceful. Like a mini yoga session.
Yeah, but it's more like pretend yoga. You know the saying, fake it till you make it. It means even if you're not perfect at something, just doing it helps you get better.
Love that. I'm totally stealing that mindset. But my mornings are different. Once I'm up, I get dressed and take Milo, my dog, for a walk.
Oh, right, Milo. The golden retriever, right?
Yep, and he's my alarm clock. The moment he hears me move, he's already at the door, wagging his tail. We walk around the park. It's so quiet and fresh at that time.
Sounds perfect.
It really is. I like that it's just me, Milo, and the morning air. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just think. It's my little reset button.
Oh, that's a good expression. Reset button. It means something that helps you start fresh, right?
Exactly. That walk just clears my head. Milo stops at every single tree, though.
Dogs do that. They're like tiny detectives on a mission.
True. But by the time we get back, I already feel awake and ready. Then it's shower time. I love long, warm showers in the morning. It's like washing the sleep away.
Oh, same here. That's my favorite part. I'll turn on the shower, close my eyes, and just exist. It's like my little spa moment before the day gets crazy.
Yeah. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, do my hair, a little skincare routine, just the basics, and start getting dressed.
I keep it simple. Quick shower, quick shave, shirt, chinos, sneakers, done. You know the idiom, keep it simple, stupid?
Yes, it means don't overcomplicate things. I love that.
That's me in the morning. I dress for survival, not for fashion.
Oh, I'm the opposite. I like picking something comfy but cute. Usually jeans, a light top, and sneakers. Easy but put together.
That's your signature style. Smart casual with personality.
Thank you, thank you. Then I grab breakfast. Toast, maybe eggs, sometimes just fruit if I'm in a rush. Milo sits next to me, giving me those puppy eyes the whole time.
That sounds nice. For me, breakfast is usually quick. Oatmeal with banana, or sometimes peanut butter toast. And while I eat, I like to listen to something. Maybe an English podcast or an audiobook. It's a calm little moment before the rush begins.
That's such a good idea. Feeding your brain and your body at the same time. I usually listen to the English Leap podcast.
Same here. We've got good taste.
Yeah, and after breakfast, it's go time. I grab my bag, check if I have my keys, water bottle, and earbuds. Milo gives me that sad, don't go face every single time.
Aw, that's the hardest part. I just look at my plants like, don't die while I'm gone.
Oh, Ben. Anyway, I take the bus to work. It's about 25 minutes, so I usually listen to music or just stare out the window. My little daydream time.
That's nice. I drive. It takes around 20 minutes if the traffic behaves. Sometimes I play music, sometimes I just enjoy the silence.
That's one peaceful way to start the day. By the time I reach work, I already feel like I've lived a small story.
Yeah, same here.
All right, so we've made it through the morning. Now, let's step into the office world.
Ah, yes. The land of emails, meetings, and coffee number 2.
Let's talk about what really happens once we reach work.
Oh, yes. The moment when coffee turns into survival fuel.
Exactly. I walk in, say hi to everyone, and head straight to my desk. First thing I do, open my laptop and check my emails. It's like opening a mystery box. You never know what's waiting inside.
True. Sometimes it's good news, and sometimes it's 20 new tasks. I make my to-do list right away. If I don't, I'll forget everything.
Oh, same. I also write things down, even simple ones like drink water. It makes me feel productive.
That's so real. I start with small things to get the ball rolling, like reply to one email, finish one task, and boom, I'm in the zone.
Get the ball rolling. That's a great phrase. It means to start something, to get things moving.
Exactly. Once I start, time flies. But around 11, I already start thinking about lunch.
Me too. My brain goes, you've worked hard enough. Time for food.
I usually eat with my coworkers. We talk about random things, sometimes about work, sometimes about food. Mostly food.
That's the best part. I sometimes bring my lunch, maybe rice, eggs, or a sandwich. But if I forget, there's this cafe near the office. They make the best wraps.
Ooh, wraps sound good. I usually eat something light like pasta or salad. And then, 10 minutes later, boom, the food coma.
Yes, that sleepy feeling after lunch. It's like your body says, let's nap, and your brain says, no, we still have work.
So true. That's what people call the afternoon slump, when your energy just disappears.
Yep. I drink water, stretch a little, and try to power through.
Power through. Good phrase. It means to keep going even when you're tired.
Exactly. I just tell myself, one task at a time.
I do that too. And when I finally finish everything, oh, that feeling of closing the laptop, pure happiness.
Yes, it's like finishing a marathon.
A very slow marathon.
True. All right, now it's time for the best part of the day, going home.
Ah, yes, freedom. Let's talk about what happens after work.
Evenings, here we come.
Finally, work's done. I grab my bag, wave goodbye to everyone, and head to the parking lot.
I do the same, except I take the bus. But honestly, I kind of like it. I put on my headphones, play some music, and just watch the city lights. It's like a little movie moment.
Oh yeah, main character energy. I drive home, and if traffic's bad, I just sing loudly in the car. It's my free concert.
Oh no, poor drivers around you. But I get it. That's your stress relief.
Totally. And when I reach home, first thing I do, shoes off, bag down, and deep breath. You know that I made it feeling?
Yes, the best feeling ever. I take Milo, my dog, for an evening walk. He gets so excited. It's like he's been waiting all day for that moment.
Aw, Milo again. He's living his best life. I don't have a pet, but sometimes I go for a short walk too, just to clear my head.
Yeah, I love that quiet time. After the walk, I make something light for dinner. Maybe noodles or soup. Simple but cozy.
Sounds nice. I usually cook something quick too, like rice with veggies. But sometimes I just order food.
Same. We all have those no-cooking nights. Then I like to watch something funny or light. No drama, just chill.
Yeah, a little YouTube, maybe a sitcom. Sometimes I call my family just to say hi. It's a nice way to end the day.
That's really sweet. I sometimes write in my journal, just a few lines about my day. It helps me relax before bed.
Oh, that's a good idea. For me, bedtime starts with one lie. I'll just check my phone for 5 minutes.
And then 1 hour later, you're still scrolling.
Exactly. But once I finally put the phone away, I just close my eyes and think, okay, new day tomorrow.
Yeah, every day is different, but there's always something to be thankful for.
Well said. And that's our day, from sleepy mornings to peaceful nights.
Hope you enjoyed living a day with us. Now it's your turn. Try describing your day in English.
Yeah, you can write it, record it, or share it with a friend. The more you talk about your daily life, the more confident you'll feel.
Exactly. And if you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Leap podcast.
We'll see you next time with another fun, real-life English conversation.
Until then, take care and keep learning, one day at a time.
Bye, everyone.